epidermidis grow?
Nope.
No. If it didn't grow, it probably can't make any sort of acid because it has to grow first. So the eosin and the methylene blue probably just annihilated the S. epidermidis. And I think it did a pretty good job because when I was looking at your plates, like in that area, there's basically like no hint of any sort of slime layer or anything in your dish. So is it a coliform? No, so you can say it's gram-positive because it didn't even make it on the plate, right? And then not a coliform though. And then I was going to ask you, your E. aerogenus, did that one grow? Yeah, and then what's the color looking like to you guys? Yeah, so I noticed like a lot of you guys got pink. We wanted you to at least see the pink like as an example so you can get an idea what the pink looks like. But I noticed it's been kind of a while because it was like a full 7 days. So you guys also may have some purple mixed in there. You may or may not have purple. So, but that's okay. We wanted you to at least see what the pink kind of looks like. But then if it's been sitting around and it just keeps fermenting, we might have some purple buildup. So the purple is trying to tell you that you have a little bit more acid there in those areas where it's kind of purpley. Did you guys get purple? Yeah. Okay. You might have like around the edges or something like that, or it might look like a purpley pink, if that makes sense. So that's okay. I mean, it just means you got more acid buildup, which is fine. So we can definitely say it's gram-negative. And you know, if you have the purple, then that's kind of going more towards the probable coliform category. If it was just like completely pink, like no purple in there at all, then that would kind of put us a little bit more in that wishy-washy possible group. But you know, I think most of us did get some purple, so it's probably more likely to be a coliform. And then your E. coli definitely grew, and hopefully you got lots of acid, right? I mean, it should be like shiny green, hopefully. So that one's definitely a gram-negative probable coliform. So that one, like when you see the shiny green, that one's like an automatic. It went crazy. So E. coli went crazy fermenting, probably both. The lactose and the sucrose, and you just got tons of acid. So your lab manual basically says that it's like a rapid fermenter because it ferments so much so quickly, and you get like a ton of acid there. So you guys can take your time finishing that one up, and then our inoculation